All right, can you use crypto investing or any type of investing for your business or for your church? Let's talk about that on today. Hi, I'm Pastor Julian, and on this channel we deal with entrepreneurship and empowerment. So if that's something that you may be interested in, please consider subscribing to this channel and make sure you click on the bell notification so you're notified every time we do a new video, pull up a new video in this area. This is a video you might want to make sure you like and make sure you share with someone. It's also a video that I probably will get in trouble about, but hey, I wouldn't be a good preacher if I didn't get in trouble sometimes. So here we are. Let's deal with this. So I've been getting these questions about cryptocurrency, and especially with the whole Dogecoin craze. We know that, of course, a lot of people missed the boat when it came to Bitcoin. They wish they would have invested in Bitcoin a long time ago. They did not. Now Bitcoin is over, well above $50,000 a share or coin, fastly approaching 60,000, and they are thinking that it probably will go beyond that to 100,000 or more. So a lot of people feel like, let's not miss out on this again. So this thing called Dogecoin comes out, it's crazy, and it escalates. And so now people think that, hey, maybe I should invest in this and maybe make some money with this. Now, a lot of people have not thought about, and I hadn't heard a lot of people talk about the fact that of using investment or cryptocurrency investments for their business. What has happened a lot, and especially with the 2020 issues of the epidemic, a lot of people had started, a lot of businesses rather, had started trying to get things like EIDL loans, the $10,000 advance, which we talked about on this channel, as well as the PPP loan, which again we talked about on this channel. However, because of different things that has transpired, PPP has run out of money. EIDL loan is taking some time to get through. A lot of people have not talked about actually using their investments to fund their businesses. Now, it's not anything new. A lot of companies a lot of corporate companies especially use investing all the time inside of stocks and bonds and things of that nature in order to help fund and fill their business and keep their business sustainable. But it's not something we talk about a lot. But I want to specifically deal with you as a business owner on investing or probably using this investment strategy to fund your business. Now, let me say this. I am not a financial advisor by any means, shape, form of the imagination. I am a pastor. I am a pastor trying to empower you, your family, and your business. And I got this idea because of, first of all, questions I get, but also because I was an early investor into Dogecoin. Now, let me break this down, tell you a little story. Now, I was looking around in my phone at Robinhood 2 years ago, June, I think it was June 2019, looking at my phone, playing around in Robinhood, just seeing things I could see inside of this space. And I looked down and I saw this thing called Dogecoin inside of there, and I looked at the description and it said that this coin was a joke coin, a meme coin or whatever. Something they said it was going to be a joke. So I said, okay, well, it's a joke coin. It's not serious. No one taking it seriously. So I'm going to take $4. I took $4 and I threw it into Doge about 2 years ago. All right. Then I looked at it again. I threw, I think, another $6 more a few months after that. Here goes almost 2 years, maybe a year and a half ago, from that point rather, and then Doge jumps up with all these different X's, and now I think the last time I looked at it, I think that the money has at $6 that I put in went all the way up to I think about between $600 to $700 just off a little bit of being crazy and throwing money in there. Now, what would have happened if I would have put $10 or $100 or $1,000, or some people put $2,500 and became a millionaire off of this Dogecoin? Okay, so I did the calculation, and if I would have put $10 inside of there at the time, I would have amassed about a little over $2,000. If I would have put $100 in, I would have amassed about about $20,000. If I would have put $1,000 in, it would have been well over $200,000 that would have been in there. So I said, well, what I'm going to do with the little $600, $700 I made off of this, I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it toward my business endeavors for marketing or whatever it is I'm going to be doing, supporting my channel, graphics, whatever that is. And so I started thinking about this a little bit more intensely, and I want to share this with you, the concept with you about using this type of money, especially since there are so many coins out there now that are 10xing and 100xing overnight. It might not be a bad idea to put some money in there, $10, $100, $20, whatever, disposable cash that you have. I do not believe that you should put your life savings or your bill money inside of this stuff because it's too volatile. But if you have some money that you can throw away, you put it inside the crypto coin, and maybe it 10x's, maybe it 100x's, and you can take that money, that same money that you're trying to rely on SBA to give you for loans or for grants or whatever, take that money you've made off this crypto and begin to help fund your business or use it for your business to help expand it or sustain it or whatever. And you never know what it might be. Now, here's the kicker. So now you ask the question. So you said I can use this investment money for myself. I can use it for my business. I can use it for my church. And since I brought up church, let me take a moment of silence because I know that, investing money in church, that's all taboo. So let me take a moment of silence when I say that. Can I use it for my church? Moment of silence. All right, let's move on. All right, so you invest this money, and it's, say, at 10x's or at 100x's, and then now you're able to use this money to fund whatever it is you want to fund. Why not your business? And so, since it's not anything old, it is old rather, but like I say, business have been investing in the stock market plenty of time. So why not use your own sensibility, your small business owner, especially for you who are a solopreneur, new to businesses, new to building your business, and you need some funding. Why not use this as a source of helping your business get off the ground or help it to sustain in some of these areas? You never know. All right, so if this is something that you may be interested in, you can always go do your research on different coins out there. Think about the crypto space is they create coins for everything. So if you are into business ownership, you're into DeFi, you're into wildlife, you're into building community, all of that stuff has a coin. So if you find a coin that you believe in, of course, do your research, see if it's something that resonates with you and you can use it, invest it, and see what happens. You never know what will happen with that. So I'm going to leave a couple of links in my description to where you can go and do a little more research about this, find out some more about different type of coins that are out there that you can kind of look at and see what you like, what resonates with you from that point on. All right. So I want to share that with you, give you an idea or even some information or just pure entertainment to look at, because again, I am not a financial advisor. I am a pastor who has this crazy belief that he can empower you, your life, your family, your business. All right. Be sure to like, share, and comment on this video. Let me know what you think about it. And until the next video, be empowered.